Hello. I thought I'd give you an update on the Putts Point project. It's going okay. We've had a couple of setbacks this month. Two things. One, we had a leak in the bathroom wall after the plumbing was complete. The waterproofing was complete. And second thing was we also had a leak from our apartment into the apartment below when the floor was being levelled. So we think one of the tradesmen has skipped a step in his process, but as a result, his insurance, so the repair is going to be charged to his insurance company. So this is where your due diligence comes in and holds you in good stead, because, some contractors don't have insurance, and that's one thing that you absolutely need to make sure of before you get started. The good things that have happened is we've completed all of the ordering. There's no more ordering to be done. The kitchen, we received the shop drawings. Shop drawings are an essential part of the step because they were all over the place, but finally we got the issues with them resolved, and now that kitchen's being manufactured. Because we have been set back with the issues around the waterproofing and the plumbing, we have decided to get it finished, and except for the steel doors between the bedroom and the living room, we're going to finish everything else and get it onto Airbnb over Christmas. I've had feedback from a friend who has a similar Airbnb around the corner who tells me she's getting $1,100 a night for the Christmas week, and otherwise about $300 a night. So figure that's a pretty good income not to be missed out on. That's it for now. I guess setbacks are always an issue, but you can't really let them derail you. You need to be resilient, and yeah, it's going well.